Hello and welcome to another update video about Polygon MATIC. Yeah, MATIC reacted again to our resistance area. I think yesterday it was just about to come down here and I gave you a micro structure, a micro count, which is following now nicely. We talked about the possibility that MATIC here completed a fourth wave. We had a resistance area at the time here. I did take it out now, but that would have been a nice short trade. And also here, we talked about a rally into B-wave resistance. It reacted to the golden ratio and it's coming down now. So it's coming down only in 3 waves so far. It's looking good, I think, for continuation to the downside now. It reacted again to resistance twice, actually. Made a lower high the second time it tested. It should really come down now. Can I rule out it's forming a more substantial B-wave? No. Resistance is 57.6 cents. Against that level, we focus on lower. Someone, for example, who used this area to enter a short trade could now simply move down the stop loss into the break-even point to take the risk out. Yeah, that's how it works. And if it then makes another high, we can't control that really. But this is the area, or was the area, where reward was high, risk was low. And now it's coming down nicely. If this really is the microstructure that's playing out, then let's talk about, what would be really the target for this small third wave. So, I mean, this is very much focused on the microstructures now, but could very much be that it's coming down to around about 52.3 cents for this third wave. It already reacted to the 1.236 extension. Sometimes on those smaller time frames and wave degrees, you see plenty of distortion. So the ideal target for a third wave here would of course be the 52.3 cent level. Then at some point we should get a 4 and a 5 off wave C to complete the larger third wave. Yeah, and then we should move up in a larger fourth wave, come down in the fifth wave, and this could complete the entire correction that MATIC has undergone for the last few weeks and actually months. Because I think since, when was it, the July top, right? Was it in July? Yeah, middle of July. We're coming down in this ABC structure now, and the idea is that in this C wave we have a 1-2 complete, 3-4, and we're now in the wave 5. Other interpretations, I think that's okay. I think that's okay as it is. It works at the moment, yeah. Depending on what it does here, if it does in some sort of funny stuff, I might have to redo the wave count here. In a more bearish scenario, I would have to move the A wave down here. If we get a strong B wave, it will have to be like that. But as long as we stay below 57.6 cents, the current wave count is pretty much valid. And we're watching for key support at 48.6 cents, 46.7. And if that is not enough, yeah, in terms of correcting, then it might test 41.2 cents. But they are the 3 levels to watch as we go down lower. I also gave you a micro support area for the third wave, and then remember that price is still below this descending trend line. I'm not sure how valid it is, but I could imagine that it will possibly test that trend line and see a reaction if we get to it. Overall, due to the structure and the assumption that price is still in the fifth wave here, it should really make a lower low below the 10th of June low, which was below 50.6 cents. I mean, if it now suddenly starts to move up, as I said, it could just be a B wave. It could also be that this wave 4 never finished, that we're developing here a massive triangle. Now that's nothing I would primarily look for, just mentioning the possibility here, because the wave 4 can be a triangle, but we don't have enough waves to, let's say, predict or forecast that, and then it could come down. That's always a possibility if we deal with the wave 4. Triangles can always happen. I wouldn't really want that. It would lead to really boring price action towards the end of the year, but hopefully it will. Hopefully we'll just do the flush and then get back into a rally. I mean, everybody really wants altcoin prices to do something. I mean, they are coming down, but even the downtrend is very slow. Yeah, at least we get a bit of movement there, but yeah, everything seems in slow motion at the moment. But yeah, that's my update about MATIC. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.